Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the National Stadium. And I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think they should rename the National Stadium the Usain Bolt Stadium? Now Usain Bolt is without a doubt the greatest track athlete in the world. Although he's retired now, his accomplishments speak for themselves. And he has done so much for Jamaica in terms of tourism and athletics that this stadium that we're looking at now is a national stadium. Now, what do you think about them renaming it the Usain Bolt Stadium? Leave your comments in the section below. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The idea of renaming Jamaica's national stadium to the Usain Bolt Stadium has garnered significant attention and support from various quarters. Usain Bolt, an 8-time Olympic gold medalist and widely regarded as the fastest man in history, has not only elevated Jamaica's presence on the global athletic stage, but also exemplified excellence, determination, and national pride. Renaming the national stadium in his honor would be a fitting tribute to his unparalleled contributions to sports and his homeland. Usain Bolt's achievements on the track are legendary. His world records in the 100 meters and 200 meters are benchmarks of human speed and endurance. Beyond his records, Bolt's charisma, humility, and dedication have made him a global icon, transcending the boundaries of sports. His success has inspired countless young athletes in Jamaica and around the world to pursue excellence and believe in their potential. The National Stadium in Kingston has been the epicenter of Jamaica's athletic achievements, hosting numerous local and international events, including the prestigious Boys and Girls Championships and the Jamaica Invitational. Renaming it the Usain Bolt Stadium would align the venue's identity with the nation's most celebrated athlete, reinforcing Jamaica's reputation as a powerhouse in track and field. Bolt's name resonates with excellence and victory, making it a powerful symbol for a venue that has witnessed many of Jamaica's athletic triumphs. His legacy would serve as a constant reminder to future generations of what is possible through hard work and dedication. Renaming Jamaica's national stadium to the Usain Bolt Stadium would be a fitting homage to a future or possibly future national hero who has given so much to his country and the world. It would celebrate Bolt's extraordinary legacy, inspire future generations, and enhance Jamaica's global stature in athletics. As the country continues to excel on the international stage, the Usain Bolt Stadium would stand as a monument to the enduring spirit of Jamaican athletics and the nation's commitment to excellence. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.